Thank you Farmer, Shimmer Sun Essence Review. Description: Brightening, Anti-Wrinkle. A pink shimmering sunscreen essence that creates the radiance of skin like a clarity of spring water under the sunshine. Suggested use: apply evenly over face and neck. Reapply as needed. Other ingredients: water, cyclopentasiloxane, glycerin, ethylhexyl methoxycinnamate, ethylhexyl salicylate, alcohol, caprylic capric triglyceride, isoamyl p-methoxycinnamate, niacinamide, diethylamino hydroxybenzoyl hexyl benzoate, glyceryl stearate, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, dimethicone, titanium dioxide, polysorbate 60, mica, 1,2-hexanediol, tocopheryl acetate, portulaca oleracea extract, Plucanitia volubilis seed oil, Nelumbo nucifera flower water, Alabarbadine cis-leaf extract, Althea rosa flower extract, silica, pic 100 stearate. Warnings: for external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. Avoid contact with eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if rash or irritation occurs. Keep out of reach of children. Replace the cap after use.